Indak Hamaka Dance Company, previously known as Indak Banak Dance Company, and considered as Taytay's premier and multi-awarded dance group, is committed to perform and preserve the rich cultural heritage of the country, as well as Taytay's flourishing garments industry through their colorful performances. Jota Rizal is a lively Philippine folk dance that originated in the province of Batangas and is named in honor of Dr. Jose Rizal's era. It beautifully blends traditional Spanish Jota steps with native Filipino dance elements characterized by rapid footwork, castanets, and waltz sequences, and is typically performed at social gatherings. Meanwhile, Luis Luis Kawayan is a lively Visayan folk dance from the Waray people of Samar and Leyte. It mimics the rustling and swaying movements of bamboo leaves in the wind. Dancers don traditional peasant costumes and perform distinct routines like the sway balance and three-step turns, accompanied by the famous folk song Luis Luis Kawayan by the Mabuhay Singers. Ladies and gentlemen, Indak Hamaka Dance Company for Jota Rizal and Luis Luis Kawayan.
Jota Rizal.